Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Annapur SG, Raja Sripatrao Bhaguntrao Mahavidyalaya, Aund, District Satara. Today, I am going to show how to search scholarly literature on the Enlist platform. Already you are aware with it, but it's attempt me about show more details regarding it. First of all, while you are going to this platform, there is need to two basic things: ID and password, which are provided by your central library or knowledge resource center. Once you have both these things, then you can easily go on the enlist and you can browse, search, download, share, print, whatever it may be, as per your wish, your desire, you can do it. First of all, go to Google, then just type Nlist, Nlist, Nlist. Once you have typed Nlist or www.enlist.implenet.ac.in, it is an authentic website of this platform. It is nothing but National Library and Information Services infrastructure for scholarly content. Once you have typed or log in within it, then this web page will appear before you, and just go to the members login. This is the members login page, and here is given the login option, and just only you have to put here your ID and password. Now I will show how to feed. Enter username and enter password. Two options have show us. Username I have created of each and every faculties and students as your email ID. There is no need to worry about it. Just feed this email ID of yourself. After that, you enter the password. Here, all is common, all of you, RA3414. Then remaining is change. This is your password. All the series are near about same, except some numbers because it is an individual account. And then click to login. This web page will open for you for accessing these resources. There are lot of resources are available. I will show which platform are useful for you. This is first is American Institute of Physics, where is 18 titles are available, and which is totally related to physics oriented books. Then annual review, economics and political. This link will provide you economics and political science related books. Then it is Indian journals. There are also available foreign journal also, but it is Indian journal which is are mostly used by our Indian academic community, and that's why it is very useful. Institute of Physics. Then again, other publishers books are made available here. Then Gestor platform. Here Gestor is nothing but it is a fully free resources online journals platform, where is 2500 titles are available to each and every disciplines, including arts, science, commerce, and many more. Oxford University Press, it is a art stream related English literature available. Royal Society of Chemistry, it is chemistry purely related. S.W. Wilson, Cambridge is also particularly English related. And S.W. Wilson is mostly science as well as social science publisher. Books are available here, and there are now as on today 3000 books are available. Okay, and these are the purely journals platform, and below it, this is a black line, its books are available. First of all, I will show one example, Sage Publications books. Once you click on this site, you will get the platform before you. It just take a time due to the low bandwidth of internet connectivity. If our connectivity is good, then it will be very user friendly platform. Only the internet connectivity is very important, and it is not showing just okay. In the next video, I will show remaining parts. Okay, thank you very much.